All right, guys, concerning this Soso value airdrop, this is a good crypto analytical platform, and they have already published the application on Play Store. So you are going to be joining this project right away. I'm going to show you what you need to do right away now. So if you missed this season one, okay, this is the season one we did. I shared this airdrop months ago. All right, so and if you have joined this, make sure you connected your wallet already. So it's ending in 2 to 3 days now. So the wallet connection is ending in 2 to 3 days, and season one snapshot has been taken. So what you need to do now is to kickstart the season two. You can see season two here. So I'm going to show you everything you need to do to earn massive airdrop reward here. Okay, so now what you are going to be doing on daily basis after you've done the right thing here for season one, so that you can be able to receive airdrop reward. So you can come here every day, okay, every day. Now what you need to do is to come and check in every day. As you check in daily, you'll be earning airdrop. You can see season two daily check-in have been updated. Okay, so the next thing you're going to be doing is to share your link if you have community or you have friends that you want to give value. All right, so after you've done that, we have daily tasks here. These are tasks you have to do on daily basis to earn a lot of points. Okay, so these points will be converted to Soso token. So what you need to do now, you can click on watch. Okay, after a few seconds, you don't even need to watch the whole video. After a few seconds, you come and verify and claim 4,000 points. Now for this one, you can share on your X page, then make sure you mention this and make sure you use a kind of sentence. This will be in the middle so that they will not actually suspend your X account. So if you directly share this without adding a kind of sentence to what you are writing, it might be a kind of spam. Okay, so make sure you use tricky way to update information about this, because a lot of people are mentioning Soso value crypto. So you have to mention and attach something this will be at the middle. So you have to write something, and maybe you say here at Soso value where crypto are giving popular complete analysis on daily basis. Okay, so you can put something together like that so that it will be at the middle. Then once you've mentioned, you've done the quote, you come here and verify. Okay, so let me click on verify. Okay, so I think this has to take a few minutes. I come back and do that. So now this one, I have already done this. You can reply this the same way you did in the first one is the way you will do this one. Okay, so after this countdown, you come back and click on verify. Okay, I think it has to be updated as well. So you do this one, and then once you have done, you can see this one that has been completed. I received this point. Okay, so the next one I'm going to do is to scroll down starter pack. This starter pack, you can skip this one because you have to buy SSI, okay, to get this bonus. Okay, so you install this to your extension. You can use let's say Chrome browser to log in, then you click on install, you install the extension, so you log in. After you've done that, you'll be getting 150,000 points. Okay, so this one you can click on follow social Socrates. This is their AI handle. So once I click on follow, it will direct me to this page, so I have to follow them. So once I followed, I'll go back. Okay, I'll go back to this place. After this countdown, I'll verify. So this one I'll click on install. All right, so I've copied the link, so you can go to Chrome browser and install. After you've installed, you are going to be getting this point. Okay, so it's very simple. All right, so after this countdown, I'll click on verify to claim. All right, so now the other things you need to do is to actually be checking out if there are new tasks you can complete, and you can go through this all these features that have been integrated, analysis, crypto updates about different cryptocurrencies and announcement. Okay, so you can put some watch lists here. okay, can connect different tokens and keep them on track. Okay, so I've added 4 items already. Okay, so you can type any cryptocurrency and then put them in your watch list, so you can put something like XRP or something like that. All right, so these are the things you need to do to keep being updated. Okay, so more information about this project will be dropped in due time. So once they release the airdrop allocation for season 1, or they might be doing it together, so the next you're going to be doing is to go to your, make sure you go to your profile here. Okay, go to your profile, then click on personal center. Once you've tapped on personal center, it will actually bring you a new page. Okay, so you have to fill in some information. Okay, so you have to fill in some information. It's very, very important. Make sure you connect your email. Okay, so you've already registered an email, you can connect the same email here, connect it on Google in form of Google account. Then you click on Twitter to link your Twitter. So you have to also claim the Twitter TG point, okay, on daily basis as well. So you can come here and connect your wallet, connect your X, and these are the things you need to do. Very, very important, guys. Very, very important. So the right thing, if you have done all these ones, the right thing you need to do have been done. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more important update, and you can also join us on WhatsApp for regular daily information about airdrop.